Good morning, kindergarten, and happy Earth Day to you. Today we're going to be drawing a special Earth Day drawing that has the world, but we're going to turn the world, instead of having it be a sphere, we're going to turn it into a heart. So that's what we're going to start with. Our paper is vertical or in portrait mode. Looks like this. And we're going to start at the middle of our paper. Our heart's going to be pretty big, so we're going to want to fill it up almost the entire middle portion of your paper. So I'm going to start right in the middle, and if you have trouble drawing a heart, don't worry. We're going to come up and around and connect on the bottom. So we see that shape there, that curved shape, and then comes in. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, but we're going to start at the middle and we're going to go the other direction, kind of like a letter C. But instead of curving up, it connects at the bottom. Okay. Then we're going to add the land and the water to the earth, and the earth is going to be inside this section here. It doesn't matter what your land work looks like. It doesn't have to look exactly like what our earth looks like. So we're going to start here up on top, and really you can do a bunch of squiggly lines, but I'm going to come around like this for one side, and then the other side's going to come off of this side, come around just like that. You could have lots of little pieces along the way. That's totally fine. And I think I'm actually going to come in here and make this a little wider and then use my eraser. That way my heart's a little wider. And then I'm going to come in with my pencil and I'm going to draw some lines that come out of the earth toward the end of my paper. It's going to kind of look like sun rays. Now I'm going to tell you that the more lines you draw, the more coloring you're going to be doing. And the more lines you draw, the more different colors you can have on your paper. Although you could also do a pattern or whatever you'd like there. So this is going to be what mine looks like. I like to trace my drawings in a black marker before I color. If you don't have marker, that's okay. You can do a black crayon. I would do the black crayon at the end if you're going to use crayon. I have marker, so I'm going to start that now. It just makes your colors pop a little bit more. So I'm coming in, tracing the outline of my heart. And the tracing with the marker, if you're going to do a marker, doesn't have to be perfect either. So you're going to go back in with crayon and color on top of it. Okay, and then the same thing goes for the lines. We're going to trace those lines with the marker too, or with the black crayon if you have it. But remember that the black crayon's probably best at the end, otherwise your colors are going to smear. I'm going to add another one there. Okay, now that I have it traced, I'm going to go in and color the land and the water. And we've been studying maps and directions on what it looks like to see land and water from the sky. So I'm going to go in with kind of bright colors today. I'm going to go with a bright green for the land masses that are here. And I'm going to come in and color those. If you don't have a bright green, you can use a darker green. Does not matter at all. And I'm going to go in with the blue, but instead of just a regular blue, I'm going to use a blue-green color. If you have it, you can use it too, or an indigo. This one's just a little brighter than the normal blue. If you just have blue, B-L-U-E, you can color it blue also. I'm going to come in with this really bright color. And I'm doing mine really quickly, but I want you to take your time with yours and make it look nice. And this Earth Day, I know that we're stuck inside, but you can always go out for a nice walk, enjoy nature, make sure that you're doing what you need to do, like reducing what you're using, reusing things that you can reuse, and recycling things that you can recycle. That helps to take care of our earth. Okay, so there we have our earth, land, and water. And now we're going to come in, and at this point you can color all of these sections whatever color you want to use. I'm going to come in and do just a few to start, and you can finish up. I think mine is going to be a pattern, and I have wanted to do purple, this robin's egg blue, which is a little lighter. I definitely want to do yellow, orange, and then that violet red. So I'll come in and do these three colors and color it in. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like at the end. Go ahead and do one at home, and I love seeing your pictures in Remind, so go ahead and send me your picture whenever you're done. Happy Earth Day, and if you're doing something special for Earth Day, text me and let me know. Have a great one.